Hey everyone, this is BJ at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky, bringing you this 2024 392 Jeep Wrangler Final Edition before they decided that they would continue making them. This is in Tuscadero Pink, really popular color. We'll go over some of the details on this. You will get your 35-inch BF Goodrich tires on 17-inch wheels. You got your 392 Final Edition accents outlined in bronze. Really cool hood decal. Start on the sides first. Again, you got your trail rated badge accented in bronze. Powered leather seats. Bronze stitching. This one's got 7,100 miles on it. Adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, full speed forward collision. You've got that 12-inch display with navigation, Apple CarPlay, wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Again, this is a power top, so just one touch. Get some open air freedom. Really beautiful sky out today. This is a day that you would absolutely have the top open, doors off if you had an opportunity. Not the time that you would use your heated seats or heated steering wheel that this is included. Sorry. You've got your exhaust there so you can dampen the sound. It is a Rubicon, so you will have locking front and rear differentials along with the electronic sway bar disconnect. And this does have your auxiliary group there if you decided to add some like off-road lights or anything like that. Cool little 392 on your shifter there. This also has your 4-high part-time transfer case. Again, that top is fully open, so if you're in the back seats, you can still get plenty of that visibility of the sky. And these back corner windows do come out only on the ones that have the power top, though. Steel bumpers. Does have your rear park sense. Alpine sound. Got your flip down table for if you're tailgating. Again, some more of those bronze accents on your hooks. Does have your tow package. Got your hinge gate reinforcement. That is capable of holding up to a 37-inch tire, just to help support some of the weight that's on that hinge there. Again, beautiful Tuscadero pink. Step around front again, it's that steel bumper with the triple loop. You'll notice there, again, some more of those bronze accents with your tow hooks. And you'll see tucked away inside there is a nice worn winch with synthetic rope. This bumper, you can take off the ends if you decided to opt for the stubby bumper. Really cool look. Don't think that would work with the triple loop though. It looks like you would have to remove that. But really cool Jeep. Let us know what you think. Again, we are here at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky. Feel free to stop by or give us a call. Thanks for watching.